Hi, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to it's Tuesday of week 3 of virtual learning. And this is video 1 of 2. This is just your intro. I'll be short and sweet. Thinking back to yesterday's riddle, the question was somebody's mother has 4 kids. Their names are North, South, East. What is the 4th child's name? If you guessed someone's, that's why I showed you, it had an apostrophe, meaning someone was the name of that 4th child. Congrats if you got it. Today's riddle is 2 words. My answer is only 2 words. To keep me, you must give me. What is it? And I'll say it again. 2 words. My answer is only 2 words. To keep me, you must give me. I'm going to get a little bit more challenging, hopefully, make it a little bit more difficult. But that is the riddle for today. As always, make sure you have your notebook available to take down some notes. I'll be very explicit with where my notes are. I do realize that yesterday there was a lot of tech issues with Schoology. Unfortunately, it's one of those things that we have no control over. We can't control the internet or that website. So we appreciate all of your patience working with us. And we'll give you extensions on all the assignments yesterday. And we're going to do a little review of yesterday today to make sure that you have the key content and key understanding. And so today, our lesson is going to focus on the key difference between the structure of DNA and RNA and how that DNA determines our physical characteristics. And last week, we discussed DNA replication and the importance of ensuring that new double-stranded DNA is identical. And I want to say that again. It's identical. The DNA we replicate should be identical to the parent DNA. This is accomplished by the DNA replication being semi-conservative, meaning one half of the DNA is the parent or the original, and one strand is new. And knowing that that DNA is the basis of an organism's genetic makeup. This genetic makeup determines the physical characteristics and function of the organism. But how? We don't know. So today we're going to figure out how DNA is related to the physical characteristics. And just to clarify, when I say physical characteristics, I mean, why are my eyes brown? Why is my hair brown? Why does my nose look like this? All of these questions, the answer is this is my DNA, but how do I go from this microscopic little string to what we actually see? And so that's our goal for today, to figure that out. Just to quickly walk through today's lessons so there is no confusion. Let's pop over to Schoology. Today's folder, real simple. The attendance, you'll see the video link here, our worksheet, and our exit ticket. As always, you're going to get two tries for your exit ticket. So if you don't do as well as you'd like, go back, revise it, and I'll take the highest score. For the worksheet, part 1 is just a review, so go through this after this video and make sure you do this review questions, just a couple quick ones. Then jump straight to part 2, central dogma theory. Central dogma, whenever I think about it, I always just think of a dog, a little pup, T.A. Tani, if you would, in a circle. It's not actually that, unfortunately, but we're going to be talking about the central dogma theory. So you'll go through this. The goal you don't have to do right now. This is the key takeaway. So by the end of the lesson, you should be able to fill this out. You'll go through the first part, which is to read this, look at the picture, and fill out as much of the table as you can. You will not be able to fill out the entire thing, but fill as much as you can out. Then, to figure out the key differences between DNA and RNA, you'll go through this article and fill in the blanks in this table. Once you're done with that, you're going to stop. You're going to copy this table into your notebook. And then you're going to go to video 2, which is going to have the notes. Not too many notes, but make sure you watch that video and you take notes. After you're done with video 2, I'll remind you then, but you'll come back and answer these 2, check for understanding, and apply your understanding questions. But that will be class, and you'll go back over and do your exit ticket. So that is all for video 1. Thank you for watching it all the way through. Please let me know if you have questions. Stay awesome, stay curious, and stay safe. See you soon.